Wynnsmart Security Dongguan Company Limited is a leading security product supplier. Our company is dedicated to providing high-quality security solutions to customers around the world. We have a professional team of 17 sales representatives who are passionate and experienced in the field. Our associated factory covers an area of 1,200 square meters and is equipped with 15 production lines, each 25 meters long. These advanced facilities enable us to meet the diverse needs of our customers efficiently. Our main customers come from the Middle East, North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We have established long-term and stable partnerships with them by providing reliable products and excellent services. We adhere to strict quality control standards and are committed to continuous innovation and improvement. With a focus on customer satisfaction, we strive to exceed expectations and build a trusted brand in the security industry. Welcome to collaborate with Wynnsmart Security Dongguan Company Limited for a safer and more secure future.